For the viewer, my name is Joe Bailey, and I'm the Director of Business Development at Assurety Consulting and Solutions. And today we have Prescott Marston, a data analyst at Snowman Group. Snowman Group is one of the largest print and mail houses in the larger Bangor, Maine area. And Prescott and Snowman are a customer of Assurety, and they currently use our Mail Assurety and Seamless Assurety products. So Prescott, I was wondering if you could just tell us a little bit about what some of the challenges were that you were having that caused you to reach out to Assurety.
Yeah, sure. So, about a year ago or so, we started, learning about the Seamless coming down from the post office. And one of the first concerns that we knew we were going to have was undocumented mail. That's kind of the first thing that really led us to start looking into solutions to handle that. I knew it was going to be a challenge because we were producing, mail.dats from different departments across, several mids. And how was I going to trace those back? So that was one of the big concerns for me. Also, I knew that we were going to have the need for editing mail.dats, especially for like dates and any other kind of errors that would arise. So I started looking. I did a Google search for Assurety, and sure enough, you guys had a solution that looked like it was going to work for us.
Good. And can you tell us a little bit about how it's working and has it saved you any time?
Yeah, so definitely the undocumented troubleshooting tool in the Seamless package has been a huge help to me. I've been able to pull down a mail quality data feed from Informed Visibility from the post office, and I just pull down that data feed and run it through your software, and it will just tell me what IMBs match with what job. So any kind of issues I've had, I can trace it back to that actual job to either prove that, hey, yeah, we did pay for this mailing, or no, we have some issues to work out. It's been really helpful for sure.
That's good. And so can you go into a little bit more detail about some of the edits that you've had to perform? So after your pre-sort is run, you need to make changes before submitting to Postal One. When does that occur?
Yeah, so for us specifically, production is always fluid. When we do our pre-sort, we kind of set a projected mail date for that mail.dat and then generate it based on that. I knew that those dates were going to be able to, trigger the finalization once we're in Seamless. So that was going to be an issue. That's something that we knew we would have to change. But beyond that, sometimes, profiles are set up incorrectly. We may have to deal with editing, a permit or other such kind of things. And the ability to do that is just great through you guys' system.
Thank you. And have you found the service and support?
Yeah, service and support from you guys has been excellent. I know we've run into some issues during testing where we had certain mail.dats that were throwing, pre-validation check flags that were, had to be adjusted. I loved how you guys were responsive on that. Even during our testing, you came back with quick fixes. And yeah, the support I've gotten from you guys has been great.
Great, glad to hear that. And so would you recommend Assurety to your peers in the mailing industry?
Yeah, I think definitely. We looked at several other, options that were out there at the time before choosing you guys, and beyond, you guys checking all the boxes for what we needed. I really loved your clean user interface, browser-based. It was definitely a step above everything else that we'd seen so far. It made it real, easy to use for, for other people in house here.
Great. Hey, Prescott, I really appreciate you taking the time today.
Sure thing.